Hello friends, and welcome to a new video on NailPossible. Today we're going to create this design using Pantone's Colors of the Year for 2021. We're going to start applying a base coat. And we apply the first of the two colors, which is gray. We're going to skip this nail. And apply a yellow on the nail we skipped before. Apply a second coat of both polishes. And clean up a little bit. For the design, I wanted to use an image from this Moyo London plate with a white nail polish. This is the design we're going to use, so we pick it up with the stamper. And now that we have it, using a detail brush, we're going to fill in these images in the pattern. We wait a bit for the polish to dry and we stamp it. We're only doing 2 accent nails, so we just need one more. Clean up the residue. And finish by adding a top coat to protect everything. And we have finished our design using the Pantone Colors of the Year for 2021. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget you can give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!